Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to evaluate 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of b, given that 2 to the a plus 2 to the b equals 5 and a plus b equals 2. Okay, given that we need some 4s in our answer, I'm going to start by taking 2a plus 2b equals 5, and I'm going to square both sides. On the left hand side, this gives us 2 to the a, all squared, plus 2 lots of 2a multiplied by 2b, plus 2b all squared, and this equals 25. Next, I'm going to apply rule number 2, which says that if we have a number raised to a power and that's all raised to another power, then we can rewrite this as that same number to the powers in the reverse order. Therefore, 2 to the power of a squared becomes 2 squared to the power of a. And likewise, 2 to the b squared becomes 2 squared to the power of b. Next, I'm going to apply rule number 1 to the middle section, which gives us 2 multiplied by 2a plus b. This still equals 25. And now, if we replace a plus b with 2, which is given, then we get 2 to the power of 2, well, let's write that as 4 to the power of a, plus 2 lots of 2 to the power of 2, plus 2 to the 2, which is 4, to the power of b, equals 25. So this now looks like we're almost there. So let's rewrite this as 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of b. And now let's take this middle section over to the right hand side, and this evaluates to 8. So we get 25 less 8. Therefore, 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the b equals 17. And that's our answer. So not too difficult. We just had to use this rule here so that we could switch these powers around, and these as well, and then apply this rule here so that we could add the a and the b powers here. After that, everything fell out rather nicely. Okay, that's the end of this video. Join me again tomorrow for another one.